Hello everybody. Today I've got some bulbs to test out. I just got in not too long ago. I'm going to start out with these Westinghouse 7-watt bulbs. I've got two orange ones and one blue one. So we'll see what these do. See what these look like. Bring them up slow. That's a full 120 volts. Not bad. Bring that up a little bit. It's hard to tell the color from this video. Something like that in real life. So that's those three 7-watt bulbs. Up next is, we'll do a 5-pack of these GE C7.5. Colors won't fade, chip, or peel. Christmas lamps. Alright, I've got the red bulbs populated. Let's see what happens. Every one of them work. These are a nice deep red and real person. There's the full 120 volts. The camera doesn't accurately capture how red these are, but they're absolutely awesome. And these are the ceramic coated bulbs. Up next, I have some green ones. I've got 9 green bulbs, and these are ceramic coated as well. Let's see how these do. And they all work. Those are pretty nice. I like those. Those have a nicer green than the later ceramic coated ones to me. It's just real difficult to get a good look at what those really look like. There's a look at the green ones. I think I'll probably put those into service on the front porch. They look pretty darn nice. Alright, let's go towards the next sample. I've got a mixed variety here. Yep. Well, those red ones look nice. And we're up to 120 volts. Those early ones sure do pop out. Being as weathered as they are, they still look pretty darn good. And actually those blue ones don't look too bad. Not bad at all. So there's that group. And lastly, let's try these out. These 6 are interior coated bulbs, and these are ceramic coated. And I believe this one's, I think that's one of those early, yeah, that's an early one there with the satin type finish on it. And upon closer investigation, this is a Japanese bulb that's interior coated, so I bet that one doesn't work. Let's see what happens. Hey, just as suspected, the one from Japan does not light. Oh yeah, those are nice. Those are red. Yeah, there it goes. There it finally goes. Red, orange. And then there's the interior coated one, orange. Well, that blue one's working. That is quite an interesting looking color there. And these are white, so nothing. You can see the inner envelope, or you can see the thickness of the glass on that envelope there, and that the color, the pigment's on the inside of the envelope. Kind of can see it on that one, but that blue one, I'm mighty impressed with that. It sure didn't look like it was lighting up, but it did. So that's excellent. So that's a great find. So once again, this has been a look at some of these old light bulbs I found for the upcoming season, which I will begin decorating in approximately 2 months. So it's coming up fast. I've got to get all my broken strands repaired and ready to go.